Hello students, I am going to discuss pressure. In my last video, I have discussed definition of pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is force acting per unit area. Now today I am going to discuss derivation of pressure in liquid. How can we derive pressure in liquid? This is a derivation. As you know, pressure is force upon area. Now if we take weight instead of force, if we take weight, so in this formula pressure equal to force upon area, we replace force with weight. When we replace weight with force, so formula will be pressure equal to P equal to weight upon area. And you know very well weight is equal to mg. Weight is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, mg. So formula becomes P equal to mg upon A. As you know, density. What is formula of density? Density is symbolically defined by rho. This P-like function is called rho. So density equal to rho. So rho is equal to mass upon volume. This is very famous formula. Rho equal to mass upon volume. So what will be the mass? Mass equal to rho multiplied by V. So in denominator, volume will multiply by density, rho. So mass equal to density rho multiplied by V. So in this formula, mg upon A, we replace mass with rho V. So our formula becomes rho V and G, rho V G upon A. So remember this thing. First we replace weight with force. Weight is also a force. So we write, instead of force we write W, and W is replaced by mg, and m, mass, is replaced by rho V. Now what is volume? You know very well. Volume is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Volume equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. And you know very well length and breadth, multiplication of length and breadth is called area. So volume can be defined by area multiplied by h. Area equal to length multiplied by breadth. So volume can be replaced by A multiplied by H. So in last formula, density rho Vg upon A. We replace volume with AH. So formula becomes pressure equal to rho Ag upon A. In numerator and denominator both side A is present. So if we cancelling A, in denominator and numerator A is given. So we replace A. So we'll get pressure equal to rho G H G. So finally pressure in liquid formula becomes pressure equal to rho G H. This is the standard formula which we use for pressure in liquid. Pressure equal to rho GH. Thank you very much.